Hi guys, this is Haley. I'm on Wall Street. Next to me is Stock Exchange Building, and this is the Christmas tree that I want to introduce you today. If you are in downtown New York and you want to avoid crowd from Rockefeller Center Christmas tree, the New York Stock Exchange Christmas tree would be your option. The tree is 78 feet tall, which is very impressive as well. Fun fact to share, this Christmas tree tradition in New York Stock Exchange since 1923. Because back then the president wanted to promote the use of electricity and electric Christmas lights as a safe alternative to candles on trees. Since you are in downtown financial district, you gotta come here to check out Zuccotti Park. The Christmas light intensity is super awesome! Be sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you!